Good morning. Just finished our live stream. And Jan is preparing our breakfast. Breakfast has been served. She's doing a great job. This is gonna come off. Pant, pack, and we'll go in the main bedroom after the ceiling is done. Okay, I disconnect the blue cable, so it will be just about like it was before when the fan was working. So let's try.
Comments are off.
Okay, the fan no longer works, so I'm not sure what's happened there. Let's bring that MF down. Never thought it's gonna give me so much trouble. Anyway. Okay, back to square one. Let's pack this up for now. That's the wind. Maybe I can produce some electricity with this. Now I got an electrician to fix.
Jennifer said you will come here.
Huh?
Jennifer said you want to come here.
Tell them to come. Yeah, before reassembly to install in the bedroom, I can test it. Bench testing, we call it. So I will get everything back in and then put some connection through the bottom there. Anyway, just for information, this is the only 3 cable I got sticking out to connect. Man, fan is here, nicely packed, away from humidity, whatever. And fan also easily packed and sitting flat. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Forget about the fan for now. Next. Okay, start organizing here a little bit. So many things. Did you bring food?
She's on diet.
Alright. Jennifer, Roel, and his friends are here. What's your name?
Siko. Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yes,
He wants to buy my house, I don't know.
Apo. Do not sit on your arse all the day.
You have to walk. Yeah, not sit.
Oh, everybody enjoying. Look at Bella. Bella, you like ice cream? You like ice cream, my love?
Looks like.
Good excuse not to work.
Yeah, so nice.
Gonna have a quick look at Robert's house.
Oh no. So big.
Yeah, ready to start the first level.
Another floor.
He's coming. Trespassing.
Be careful.
I wouldn't go there, but
Oh, there's a what? It is look like a it's nice. There.
gonna show you Royal's land. Okay, this is Royal's land. Right at the end.
There's our land, our future.
But he hasn't got the key, so we can't visit anything.
It's very clean.
But it's got a few things planted,
And the banana.
I think. Yeah.
You've got a nice view in the future.
So it's right at the end of the subdivision. I'm going now. I'm going home. Happy Max! Yeah! I think the ground floor will be finished soon. Rocky didn't come back with us. Hey, good morning. You want mommy to bath? Bella just had a bath. No, what are you doing? Oh, you want this? And then? Oh, this is on. that? Oh my god! And you think it's funny? No! No work today. Just watch Spain this morning with England, and now I'm watching Argentina and Colombia. Why not? Thank you, my love. So good. Okay, we're going to the Montain farmhouse. Ah, here he is. Hope so. Yeah, no more. Yeah, they're gonna probably put concrete, I reckon. Electric cable, I almost grab it. They're here?
You know what she said? Monkey.
Okay, thanks God we arrived.
Really?
Maybe another 10 years I won't be able to come here. I don't think so. Hello, you remember me?